All right, here's the box it came in. Again, 12-inch combination shear brick roll from KAKA. All right, this is the unit I bought off of Amazon. It's got a lot of good reviews. $529.99. Took a couple weeks to actually get it shipped and sent out here, but so far, that's what we got ordered. All right, we're inside the box. Some styrofoam instructions. Don't need those. We got some handles. What else is in here? Ugh. Chrome plated bar. Oh, look at that. That's fancy. Yep. All right, we are inside the box. This is how she came. I'll get her out. 100 pounds, so it's kind of hard to hold the phone and pull it out once I get it out on the table. All right, we're in it. This is how it pretty much came in the box. So nice little unit. There's the specs on it if anyone's looking. And came with a bunch of miscellaneous bolts. We'll put this all together. Have to refer to the instructions, and we'll test it out and see how well this little baby works. But has the roller up top. Now, I wanted to buy a bigger unit, but I like to have a small unit because I'd say 80% of the patching is generally small pieces. So to have a small little unit like this, you can work off your bench, make little parts, little pieces, and it will do just fine. I'll get a larger brake so I can do the bottom of the doors, things like that in the future here. But right now with the projects that I have ongoing, this will do 80% of everything I need it to do. Now it does say 20 gauge thickness. I was reading some reviews and whatnot, and people are bending 18 gauge no problems without wrecking the dies, yada yada yada. We're doing auto body, so generally 20 gauge is more than thick enough for everything that we're patching, and go from there. So anyway, this is what we got so far. Looks good. It's all oiled up, so it's not full of rust, anything like that. I know some past units that people have bought, they open them up and there's moisture issues and they weren't oiled and yada yada yada. So this has grease zerks all over it as well. Keep this thing greased up. For how compact and little it is, it's built pretty beefy. So far, first impressions, impressed. Price tag, I'd have to look again exactly what I spent, but I want to say that it was $400 or $500 Canadian. Maybe I'm off with that. Maybe it was cheaper. I don't know. But for what I need it for, it's plenty good. So let's go. Well, everything is put together. Wasn't much. Handle, a couple adjustment screws for the roller at the top. Just to tighten it down, whatnot. And then it has a stop at the back here, so you can adjust, bring your metal out. So if you're doing multiple pieces of the same, you can set it and bring your piece up to that every time. So you're exactly where you're bending every time if you're doing some type of a production piece, which you would probably never do on something like this. But nice to have, I guess, if you do. Just a nice little unit. I bent up a little piece just to do a test piece. It works fine, which it should. I mean, it's brand new, right? So keep you guys updated. And so far, it looks like it's a nice quality built piece. Everything is greased up, ready to go, and came with both Allen keys to make all the adjustments you actually need to make, so you don't require any tools to put it together. Can have the handle on the right side or the left side, depending on your preference. Not much more than that. It's a nice little unit. I mounted it to the bench. I had a couple bolts I'll put in the front too yet, but the back's mounted. It's not going to go anywhere. I'll flip the bench before I have that tip on me. So anyway, I'll keep you guys updated with how the unit's working, if anything causes me any problems, whatnot. But at the end of the day, I think it will work out just fine for what it is. Yeah, there isn't much to it. So like and subscribe.